hopefully there's enough people. We'll just siphon over to the 65. But I think we're just gonna finish these switches, kind of deciding between two switches right now. But yeah, we're just gonna kind of finish these looping these switches, and then hopefully today transition over to finishing the build. Actually, that'll be fun. You're working from home. You homing from work, bro. Wait, why don't you like working from home? That's lit. Are you too distracted with Rocket League today? Changing some. There we go. I accidentally closed the window I needed. You only do it sometimes. Then why don't you like doing it? Because it sounds like it's a thing. Right, but after it's approved, isn't it kind of lit? I'm confused. Once in a blue moon type deal. But like, if it gets approved, isn't it kind of lit? That's kind of. I don't think you hate the fact of working from home. I think you uh don't like that you can't do it often. I think you're just tripping. I think I should zoom this in. Hold on, let me just zoom this camera in real quick. Just a smidgen zoomed in. I think we're good. Damn, what the Rather just call in sick. Wait, what? I just posted it and it didn't work. Twitch.tv. How the fuck do I. Twitch.tv? Do I have to put HTTPS? Slash slash? That's weird. Why does Discord do that? What? Why is it not working? Dude, am I a boomer? There we go. Imagine didn't actually get shadow banned, nerd. Ooh. Imagine. There we go. I sense this. It's so weird. On Discord, I have to type out HTTPS, all lowercase, then the whole thing. I can't just put like google.com. That's weird. Or whatever. I can't put like twitch.tv. It won't like, that's so weird. Shadow banned from the Discord. Nah. I got it working. It just would, it, like my message was sending, but it wasn't sending as a link. It's like weird. It's so bizarre that that happens. You 3D print switches? I'm sure you can, but I don't think it would work that well because like it'll be too rough. Cause like the layer lines. So like here's something. Since there's like layer lines, where you could kind of, I don't know if you could hear the scratchy. but what makes switches make different sounds? The shape or the material? It's both. So this is pretty standard. This bottom and top are pretty standard in shapes. There's just like different latching systems, but there's two. It doesn't really matter. These will just be material differences. For these, for this, the stem. For the stem, it's gonna be both. It's gonna be material and shape. Some people make the little that thing that extends longer or shorter. And then the material combined with the material of this and just on how they rub makes a different sound too. And then lubing does also change the sound. Where's my other mod, Mr. Bolby, at though? Like a wind instrument. Sure. I don't know. I don't know. Aren't all wind instruments like brass? Except like clarinet. You banned Bolby? Holy. Civil War. Did I love when strings get all tangled? It's so fun. That's it. I love your dedication to um not doing work. It's high key same. Homing from work is a new meta. Dude, honestly, you can just not do work and you're still getting paid. Just don't overdo it, because then you're gonna be behind at work. Gava. Gava, this is Tyler. Who the fuck is Gava? Salary OP. For real. Who the fuck is Gava? It's lit. Working from home is actually so lit though. I hope this upcoming job I get is work from home, so it'd be kind of fun. You know, because let's be honest, there's not that much stuff you do at work. Unless you work more than 30, 40 hours, true. Then then your salary gets ripped. But like working from home, like let's be honest, there's not that much stuff you do. Maybe you do, but in like an average workplace, there's not that much that needs to get done. You know? So you could do work and then just chill because you're done with your work, you know? Did you see the Discord link I sent you 2 days ago? I did. It's too far though. It's too far. You want me to drive an hour and a half away to go work? No. I'm I'm good. I'm good. I refuse. We like France. What does that have to do with anything? Oh, because it's called Marseille? Hey, how you doing? Shoot, you were here the other day. Nai. I think it's pronounced. I think I messed up your name last time too. How you doing? Oh, dude, I'm like getting the switch on here. Yo, actually I forgot to say, you see this mic stand? I 3D printed this because it was so short. The mic was like down here. There's a mic here, And I 3D printed this so it's longer. Now the mic's up here, so you can hear me better. But this is cool. I actually really like this. Is there another? You thought the job was in France? No, it was. The Marseille is in Illinois. Dox myself, but it is in Illinois. There is a Marseille in